Okay, so as you can see, when I started this whole door project, I thought I was ready. I had gotten some extra screws and stuff, but I didn't get longer screws, and I'm not quite sure how long I'm going to need. I'm not quite sure how hard the studs are going to be behind there. So I've sent Mommy to the store, and she's going to get me some longer ones, the same exact size. Instead of, those were 3/4 inch, I told her, I says, I want to get some bags of 1 3/4 long. I think lots of them will be 2 inch, will be fine, you know, for this middle one. But like for the side, see, here's one on the side. I'm gonna have to angle that, and it's gonna, and because I can't angle too much at an angle, it may have to be that I get longer, so I hit kind of the edge of the 2x4 and then drive it in that way. And so that one I'll need at least 2 inch, and I might need 2 1/4 or even 2 1/2 inch. And I might be okay with 1 3/4 there, but chances are 2 inch. Okay, so I'm sending her to the store. She's getting like 18 screws, because I've got all kinds of doors throughout this whole place, and you see that I've already took out the screws that I thought I was going to need, and I've only gone through 5 or 6 doors so far, and I got quite a few more to go. So you can always use more screws. So she's getting 1 3/4, 18 of them. She's getting 50 of them. This, because you can buy a whole box. If you need more, you know, 3 little packs, six in a package, you might as well get a whole little container of them, and they come like 50 in a plastic container. Okay, so she's getting 52 inch, 18 1 3/4, 18 2 1/4, 18 2 1/2, and then I know I'm all set up. And because my drill bits aren't going to be able to go that far, because when you get a small little drill bit, they're even that much shorter than the other ones. I don't want to go too wide, because then it's going to defeat the purpose. So my drill bit might not go all the way in, and because it won't go in all the way. So if I need to use something longer, I could just take one of my 2 1/2 inch screws, my sheetrock screws. See, my drywall screws. This is 2 1/2, and then I got some 3 inch here. See, number 3 inch drywall screws, and these are the coarse threads. And they used to distinguish on the side of the box somewhere, coarse and fine on the threads. Well, yeah, see, right there, see, coarse thread. You don't want the fine thread for wood. You want the coarse thread. That's the big thread like that. So see, I could drill like right here. I drill with the small little drill bit, and if I need to go a little bit further, my drill bit, it's not going to go that far, and I put a small screw in there, and I need to go in further, I could take a bigger screw like this one here, ram it in there all the way, you know, at that angle after I pre-drill, and then take that and use the actual screw as the drill bit. You know what I mean? Take it out and then put the other one in. All kinds of different ways, but anyways, once I get those screws, I'll show you. Just keep watching. And here's one example. You might say, okay, Joe, fine. I got you. I get longer screws. Here's an 1 1/2 screw. And you might think, oh, that's going to work. I'll just get 1 1/2s. And there's 3 screws. These are on the outside. This is on the inside. You might think, oh, okay, that'll hit. That'll be long enough. Well, here, I'll just show you. It's not, it could just barely be touching the 2x4, and that's why you can't just put it in straight. You're going to have to drill it in a little bit of an angle, and you're going to need the longer screw. And I'm sending Mommy up to the store. She's going to get 1 3/4 and 2 inch, but I believe the 2 inch are going to be the ones that I'm going to need for that to work. There you go.